So it's day one of living out of my car. I'm in a sleeping bag at the mountains of Albuquerque in a stone house. Oh, it's cold. It was just snowing a few minutes ago. My friends just left me here. It's 8 in the morning. I've been here since 6. Yay. Life is good.
It's either some kind of bird of prey or it's
My movie. My camera isn't working. I want my camera to work. What the heck? Alright, I'm done being cold.
okay. They will on the ground. Oh, I'm still recording, bro.
Aw, isn't that lovely?
We've got the deluxe private changing room decked out in here. Ignore that. There's no one out there right now. We're fine. I wish I had a microphone. I feel way more professional. Toes are cold. I'm wearing sandals. I feel like this isn't high enough. Are you high enough? Hi, my name's Abby, but that's not important. What is I'm here. Hold on, give me a second. I was much better at this when I was 14. Okay. ever since I was 13 years old, I've had a dream of traveling the world. I wanted to renovate a van and see everything. And I'm about to turn 18 next month, and I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it. Woo-hoo! Woo! So anyways, it took us a long time to get here.
We got Kyle in October of 2023, where we started in North Carolina. Then we went and spent 3 months in Oklahoma. Then we traveled up the West Coast, which is where I graduated high school in 2024. Then we went back to the East Coast and up to Maine. We spent 3 months there. We visited Canada, came back down, stayed in Tennessee for 3 months. Then we made our way back to New Mexico. We were there for 3 months, and now we're in Utah.
And if you're wondering why I'm making a YouTube video about it, it's kind of part of the dream. I don't plan to consistently do this, but being an influencer, influencing people to pursue their dreams and their passions and to live life to its fullest and to explore and to learn and to love and to grow. That's what I've always wanted to do. That's why I want to be a mom. I want to instill passion on the people around me that I love. So anyways, let's go explore. Look at this view, bro. Like, what? God made such a beautiful world. Oh my gosh. Also, here's my house. She doesn't really have a name. We called her Jay, but I think that's more of a middle name. Like cool looking while eating this, but this is dinner. You can't really see. Tomatoes, beans, lettuce, and a tortilla. I'm trying to eat up before dark because right now I'm alone in the middle of nowhere. But if other campers come up, I'm gonna sneakily climb in my car for safety purposes. That means I gotta eat up now. Is this even a good shot? I don't know. I'm using my phone. I don't know what I'm doing. Want some beans? I got these forks at Walmart today. Well, cutlery. Is the lighting fine? Probably not. I'm backlit. I don't have to turn this around so you can see better. Is this better? Oh yeah, much better. Dinner. Yummy. I can make it into a burrito. A cold burrito. It'd be like a salad burrito. My beans. I didn't even cut the tomato up all the way because I'm kind of in a rush because it's getting cold really fast. Like, whew, I was hot earlier. Now I'm freezing. I'm still wearing sandals. Okay, back to the sunset. Realization just kind of hit that I'm not going home for a while. Sun's going down. Got in my car and it felt like I should leave. Not. Gotta get used to it, I guess. Good night.
Morning. How do I get to this? So I don't have a freezer, but I do have empty water bottles. And to keep my cheese cold, we just fill these up with ice. Pretty genius if you ask me. Turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, you're so pretty. It's so beautiful. It's a moose. It's a moose, it's a moose, it's a moose, it's a moose. Look at it, it's a moose. Oh my gosh. I just look forward about to leave and I see a freaking moose. Holy cow. Holy cow. I want to get out of my car so bad, but I know it's gonna attack me. Holy freaking moose. Holy, oh, I just saw a moose. It's gonna cross the river. She's so beautiful. Holy cow. Guys, it's a moose. Guys. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Hi, friend. Yeah. Holy moose.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring alongside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun it slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Can't even get the whole thing in one video. Like, woo! This is beautiful. And that ice, man. And it's so tall. Goodness. Oh, look, there's me. These are my favorite birds. It's really beautiful. It's getting really dark, ain't it? It's kind of scary. Let's go. It's not boiling a lot. It's boiling some. What if we cover it? soup cooking. And I was kind of freaking out because it said cover it tightly with a plate or tinfoil, and I have neither. But then I remembered I had the lid to this bad boy, so I was like, sweet. Although it has holes in it, but whatever. Just pretend it doesn't. It counts, right? Close enough. Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy. This with some $1 Walmart bread and a package of turkey I got up here. Can make ourselves some little turkey sliders. Yep. I'm satisfied. The other camper that was here with me a few minutes ago, they left. So now I'm alone. And I'm kind of nervous about it. Like, I was alone last night. I'm sick of being alone. I didn't realize how much anxiety I would get from this. It's just like a constant state of fear. Like, I haven't felt safe for the past 2 days. And it's not because I'm not safe. Like, I'm safe. There's a road right there. There's birds chirping. It's still sunny out even. I'm safe. But I'm constantly anxious because there's a small chance I'm not. There's a small chance that a moose might randomly walk right up to my car. Or a bison. There's no bison here, but I'm still scared of them. Anyways, let's try this. Oh, it's hot. I didn't think it'd be that hot. But it's good. It's good, alright. I'll put it in here, actually. In case you're wondering, that was me showing you where I was camping for the night. All these people showed up at like 7 in the morning. It's crazy. Anyways, time to get on the road again. Kind of want to hike over there, but I'm scared of the avalanches because there's signs that are like, don't come over here. There's avalanches. So I'm like, okay. I won't go over there. Anyways. I've never seen something quite like this. A trail. The bridge is covered in snow. Hey, pretty river. I feel like this is really dangerous. That's just me. Oh my gosh. This has got to be like 5 feet or so? 4 feet? 5 feet-ish? As someone who's from the East Coast, I'd never see snow like this. And like the sheer amount of ice is crazy to me.
Heading for the western shore, while the sun is slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Maybe I do need that can opener after all. Hey, it's a good view though.